So before we get into the video, if you guys haven't seen the last video, which was the 1975 beater box, $1,975 beater box, I would check that out. If you guys didn't get that information, there was a giveaway in that video. That giveaway is going to be for a hype box free of charge, which is an estimated like $750, which is really expensive. But it's just my way of giving back for 75,000 subscribers. So to enter, if you guys haven't already, the link will be in the description below. You click on that gleam.io link. It's really fast and really easy, and you guys could end up winning a hype box and doing this cool unboxing stuff that I do, I guess. Anyway, enter down below.
You pick up the garbage, big dreams coming out this little apartment. All I know is keep it cool. I stay calm. They ask me how you do that.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with a very overdue episode of Mail Time. There's a lot of boxes here. Haven't gotten around to opening boxes just because work has been really hectic, so we got stuff that are pretty old in these boxes, and I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of it already, but we're gonna open it up anyway. So I guess we'll start off with this big one first. You guys already know. If it's long and it's in this box like this, it can only mean one thing. And that one thing is, yeah, we're gonna have a lot of mess after today. A lot of mess. So Supreme, long bag. Pull this one out really quick. So this is from a couple weeks back, actually. Like I said, we're kind of backed up. But this is the Lee Quinones board. It says Supreme over there. Lee kind of does the same stuff that Cause used to do back in the day, and that's just tag up stuff. And he was known as like a street artist. So this was a pretty cool like collab, in my opinion. I thought only the deck was really nice. He had like this lion jacket and stuff in that collab that I wasn't really feeling. It's a little bit too much for me, but this deck is pretty dope. So we'll find a place for it on the wall in the back. That's upside down. And yeah, that's one. Nope, we're not leaving it there. And this should be the other thing that we have from Supreme today. Always check the bag to make sure you didn't leave Supreme free stuff in there. This is in a Supreme bag as well. Looks like we got two regular box logos, which is kind of smashed up, so that sucks. So the real prize though is in here. It's this purple hoodie, and it actually has Supreme in like embroidered letters running down the side. I put it up over here on the screen. Reason why I'm not taking it out of the bag yet is because this is very not my color, I don't think. Now that I see it, I'm not really sure. I'm not really good with pastels, that's why. But yeah, definitely a nice piece from Supreme. So those are the two Supreme pieces for this week. I don't think we copped anything in the recent drops, which kind of sucks because they had the Fox drop last week. That would have been nice if you got the helmet, because the helmet goes for a crazy amount of resale value, and it's just a really nice piece to have in general. But yeah, missed on that. Let's see what else we got in here. So we're gonna move on to something a little bit different. These are two packages that I actually have no idea what's inside of it. I did not order either of them. They were just both sent to me. If you guys do send stuff, everything is always open on Mail Time. That's why I'm gonna be opening it up right now. But I will be changing my P.O. box pretty soon, so hold tight on that if you guys do want to send stuff. This one is from, I will not read his name because I don't know if he wants his name read. Oh, okay, cool. See, Untied Hawaii, what up, bro? Been rocking with you since you first started YouTube. Big fan of your videos, man. Hope you like the gear, bro. I see your tattoo and you have a I see your tattoo and you have a scripture tatted. Keep repping Christ and putting your faith out there. Stay blessed. Apparently he runs a company called Crowned 112 Clothing. So check out his IG. I'll put it up on the screen over here. Oh, we got two shirts actually. So hey, this is pretty cool. It says humbled right here, which is dope because stay humble, stay blessed, take care. Part of the outro. So that's pretty cool. Got one more shirt too. This one says, endure temptation. James chapter 1, verse 12. I like it. Anyway, check out our friend Jonathan's 112 clothing brand. I got it up here on the screen. Appreciate you, Jonathan. Thank you very much, man. Okay, so the other box that I was talking about that I did not order but was just sent, this one is from a guy you guys may actually know. This box is from that dude, Sneakerhead in the Bay. Definitely an OG, one of the original guys on YouTube that did the sneaker scene, and just really a humble guy. So I really mess with what he does on his channel, and yeah, he was definitely an inspiration for what we do over here. So thank you, Alex. Let's take a look at what he sent. Yeah, he didn't warn me what he's sending, so you're gonna be just as surprised as you guys. Okay, we got a letter in this one too, it looks like. I've been doing a lot of reading today. Yo, what's good, Bryson? I was recently at SneakerCon Cleveland and came across this pair right here. Back in 2016, Saucony. Oh, that's a shoe brand. Let me create my own sneaker and I put it together with Bay Area inspirations. The gold hits represent the Cali Gold Rush and the burgundy hits represent different shades of the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh yeah, I remember this. They did a lot of stuff with like YouTubers that let them collaborate on their own shoe, which was really dope. Too bad I wasn't in the scene back then. That would have been amazing. Peep the bottoms too. Only 100 pairs are made and the shoe means a lot to me. I thought it would be cool to Oh, that's pretty cool. I thought it would be cool to hook you up since you inspired me to try new things through your vids. Well, that's, to be blunt, pretty awesome, man. Because, I mean, that's pretty cool. I never thought that I would be inspiring other people that have been in the game for so long. So, yeah, really kind of humbled right there. Keep up the awesome work and stay blessed. Alex, sneakerhead in the bay. So, I haven't seen this shoe in person before, but I know exactly what he's talking about. So Saucony Originals, this is in a size 11.5, so haven't actually worn this shoe before. I am a size 10.5 or an 11. Might be able to fit an 11.5. This is nice. Yo, he did a really good job on these. So you can see, like he was saying, has like gold hits for the Golden Gate Bridge and just a really nice color scheme in general. And on the bottom, there's actually a clear sole so you can see the Golden Gate Bridge on here. So that's really dope. And over here on the tongue, sneakerhead in the bay. That is dope. Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. Thank you for rocking with the channel, and thank you for inspiring a lot of the early videos, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate you. Thank you. 1 of 100. That's pretty dope. So moving on, this one is from Footlocker. I'm just gonna blaze through it, man. Size 10.5, smash box, which kind of sucks. That really sucks. But that's cool because we're keeping them anyway. This, as you guys have seen a million times over by now, is the clay green Jordan 1. I have never actually seen this thing in person yet, and I gotta say the quality is pretty good. Definitely a good color for me because if you guys didn't know, I went to school at University of Hawaii at Manoa, so their color scheme is like green, black, and white. So literally this is like the perfect shoe. If you guys go to UH Manoa, if you're walking around on campus with these, you're pretty much awesome. So definitely a nice shoe going into the collection. Bummed about this box, but that's okay. It's a keeper shoe. One more. All right, so we got one more Jordan 1 box. And if you guys could guess already, this is the Jordan 1 Blue Moons. So from the same pack, this one has blue suede instead though. And yeah, I really like this one. I think the red and the yellow are actually the worst now that I'm seeing like on feet pictures and stuff. I do want the yellow still, but the red, there's enough red Jordan 1s, so we're over that. But these and the green, definitely going in the collection. Happy about these. Backstory. So this is not anything shoe related. It's more, I would say it's kind of hype stuff, but it's not like hype beast stuff per se. I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but there's like this TDE X Kendrick Lamar X Nike collab that's been going around. And the Kenny 3s just dropped, and it's like that black Cortez. Want to try to get those, and yeah, I noticed that they were only at pop-up locations for his tour. I was like, man, I live in Hawaii. They're not bringing the tour over here. No way. Nothing ever comes to Hawaii. It's pretty sad, actually. Anyway, okay, looking at it. We got Toronto as one. Don't know anybody in Canada. We got like Houston. We got like New York, obviously. That's on the other side of the country. But yeah, there's one in California and LA. And I actually have a friend that I went to college with at UH Manoa who is now back in LA working and living. That's where she's from. But yeah, she reached out when I said I wanted to try to cop some of the gear from that pop-up. Such a blessing, man, because the resale on these is actually pretty high. It's definitely a lot higher than it is for retail. But I'm already actually wearing some of the stuff. I didn't even notice. So yeah, this is a different set. I actually had to buy this one off of eBay because I didn't know they were dropping it in red. But yeah, pretty nice. Favorite part, it says damn instead of Nike. Kendrick Lamar. You guys already know. Okay, so this is pretty funny because I felt really bad because how the drop went, it was a pop-up location. I think it was at Blends in LA. So apparently the store is really small. And the line was massive. The way you got it is you have to go a day before the actual drop, get these bands, and the bands give you a time and place that you need to be at in order to buy the shoes or the clothing. So she got pretty early the next day, which was nice. However, I guess they were backed up and it was just very ill planned because she ended up staying in line for like 3 or 4 hours and I felt like super bad. Like I wanted the stuff, but I don't want somebody standing in line for me for that long. I don't want to stand in line for that long. So yeah, I owe you, Kaylee. I'm sorry. All right, so this is one of the pieces right here. This is the Nike hat that they were selling. It says damn right there. That's pretty cool. Just a clean white hat. I didn't know she was sending this one. This is interesting. So what do we have here? I don't know what's going on with all of this. I know Top Dog Entertainment or TDE has like a lot of people signed and you can already see some of the homies on there, but honestly, I don't know half of the guys on this shirt, so we're not gonna get too into that. She also sent like a bunch of snacks in here because she's awesome, so thanks. I guess we're starting up a food channel now. Let's stick to the clothes. All right, so we got one more box, same person. Whew, okay. And in the other box, we have the rest of the merch. This one is the exact same shirt I'm wearing, except in white. Yeah, I don't know. It has like some texture to it, which is interesting. Sorry, I know it's really bright. This is the hoodie though. Let me open it up because I'm keeping this. And as soon as I saw this thing like on social media that they were gonna be dropping the shoes and whatnot, I wanted this kind of way more than the shoes, not gonna lie. I have the red Kendricks back here. Like, look at this. You gotta admit, that like matches perfectly with what's going on over here. You can see right there, it has the dam with the Nike, and it also has this going on up here. I wanna say it says Kung Fu Kenny, I have no idea. I really have no idea. Really nice, and this is actually super soft, so I like this. And that's it for the mail time unboxing, man. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of mess in here. I gotta go clean all of it up now. But yeah, make sure you guys enter that giveaway if you have not already. Really easy. Just go to the link in the description below and you're set. That's it. It's fast. 5 seconds. $750 hype box. Yeah, definitely worth doing. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!